All right, taking off some wallpaper today. So what we've been doing and what we usually do is a mixture of vinegar and water. Usually maybe a third vinegar to two-thirds water. Put it in a spray bottle. Spray down the wallpaper. Let it soak. This is the old style wallpaper that is. It's actual paper. It doesn't have that plastic coating on the outside. If it did have the plastic coating, you could tear that off first. That's basically the only way to get that stuff off, is to get that outer layer off first. But this is just the paper, so when you spray it, it soaks in. You can kind of see it's darkening up, but so that's what we've been up to here. And this carpet is that beautiful green shag awesomeness, but yeah, the ceiling's wallpapered, and obviously it's always wallpapered because there's a whole bunch of cracks and stuff like that that they covered up. But so after you soak it with a mixture like that, then just keep it moist until you start pulling it off. Here, I'll show you what's going on. Oh, that's wallpaper removal right there. Yeah, quick and easy. The easy way. See if it does it. Let's try it. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, we sprayed this down with vinegar and hot water. There isn't any plastic layer over the top, so it's pretty easy to take off, but that's pretty awesome. Yeah, we didn't score it at all or anything. We just soaked it down, and it soaked up water, and then we soaked it down a little more. And basically you let the vinegar and water do the work for you. And apparently gravity too, so.
That's so cool.
So yeah, just vinegar and water.